Hi, this is Steve. Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review. In this video I continue to build the Back to the Future Delorean by Eaglemoss. Now I am on issue 56. Now in 56 we start to work on the electronics. So we received this circuit board and a bunch of wires, and we'll be installing that behind the interior tub, behind the driver and passenger seats. So let's get started. Welcome back. Let's look at the magazine for issue 56, where you can build the iconic 80s time machine in 1/8 scale. Head over to eaglemoss.com and subscribe to this card today. It's fantastic. I'm having a blast building this. It's a lot of fun. So right here they tell us what parts we received, and this is our circuit board, and we received some more wiring for that and some screws. So this time we install a bunch of wires on the circuit board, and I'll show you that step by step. Then we mount this circuit board to the back side of the chair, where we would put that decal on to prevent any shorting of the circuit board with the metal screws. Very cool there. Then we'll hook up some wires. And then behind the scenes is coming in to land. The special effects provided thrills in Back to the Future Part 2, and often there was a practical solution to a complex problem. So there you go. An article here about Darlene Vogel, actress who played Griff's hoverboard pal, went from film lawbreaker to TV law enforcer. And then they give us a preview of the next issue, issue 57, bulkhead upper, and some other parts there. So let me get these parts out. We'll get a closer look and we'll begin. And here's the parts pack for issue 56. And I'll go ahead and take these out and we'll get a closer look. And here's a close-up of the motherboard or circuit board, and you can see here all the terminals are numbered 1 through 23. And you want to be careful how you handle this. Make sure you don't have any static electricity or anything like that, and handle it by the edges. And you can see there's a lot of soldering points on this too. There's a few chips and all that. And then we also got the FP screws. So let me pull all the wires out and we'll get a look at those. And here's all the wires we received. We received the number 1 wire, and that is a white wire. The 2 wire is a white-orange wire. The 3 wire is an orange wire. The 4 is a black-orange wire. The 7 is that looks blue. I'll say blue-yellow. The 13 is black-green. The 20 is orange-green. And lastly, the 21 wire is real long. It is yellow and orange. So the first wire we're going to plug into this is the number 1 wire, and that's the white wire. And I'm going to situate the circuit board just like they show in the illustration, and plug that in. And you can see there's a number on the wire connector, 1 to 1. Just like that. And the next one, they call it a brown wire, but it looks more orange to me. Orange-white. So that's the number 2 wire. It's going to go right beside the number 1 wire. There we go. And the number 3 wire, they say orange-brown. They both look orange to me. So that's okay. Number 3 goes to number 3 terminal. And number 4 is orange black, or a brown black as they say, and that goes in the number 4 terminal. Just like that. And the number 7 wire is the yellow-blue. That goes into the 7 terminal. And a 13 wire will go into the 13 terminal on the very end there. That's how that looks. And the 20 wire, the brown-green or the orange-green, that goes into the 20 terminal on the other side. Turn this around and line up the 20 with the 20. Looks good. And lastly, the very long 21 wire goes right beside the 20 wire. Perfect. Next, I mount the circuit board on the back side of where we put that tape, so it's actually going to get mounted right here, making sure that your white plug-in connectors are going to be on top. We're putting 4 FP screws in on this. These screws go in very tight. And the last one. And there they are. They're all in. And we look for our yellow wire, which is marked number 5, and that's coming off the tunnel there. And we're going to plug that into 5. Okay, number 5 goes in. Just like that. We look for number 18. And we look for number 18. And that goes into 18 terminal. Perfect. Number 17 goes into 17 terminal. There we go. Perfect. And lastly, number 14 goes into 14 terminal. Perfect. And that's all we do for stage 56. Did a lot of wiring here. It was a lot of fun. I had a blast with that. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell for all notifications. Head over to Eaglemoss.com and subscribe to this card today. It is fantastic. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.